Behind the scenes, our teams are working very hard and non-stop. They are researching, they are pushing technology forward, they are focusing on the small details in manufacturing. And all of that effort shows the products you'll be driving tomorrow. When you're behind the wheel, you're not just driving a tire, you're experiencing the passion and our dedication that went into it. And this ride and drive is about openness and transparency. We want your feedback, your honest feedback, because that's what helps us get better. That's what keeps us pushing and improving. And that's how we create products that really work for you and for your customers. Tonight, it isn't just, tires and the business. It's all about people, about relationships, and it's about connection. So please relax and enjoy the evening and have some conversations, share some laughs and drinks, and get to know our people, our team. And we want you to see not just the Nexen name, but the people behind it. Okay, and tomorrow the tires will do the talking. You'll feel the difference for yourself. Confidence, comfort, and control. So once again, thank you. I appreciate your time and your partnership. We are excited about the road ahead. Let's enjoy tonight, and let's look forward to an even stronger future together. Thank you.
All right.